In the SANDRo Project, funded by DIH-HERO, PALO Robotics and Heemskerk Innovative Technology are developing the TIAGo robot to provide assistive services to people with difficulties in activities of daily living. The project has reached an important milestone where developed applications were applied in a real-life environment, in this case, the Centre Sociosanitari El Carme in Badalona, Spain. This example shows when a patient presses the emergency button, a red light turns on and an alarm sounds. The number of the room is indicated in the panel behind the nurse station, and the care personnel should be present in the station to be able to check which patient called for help. This task has been automated, which now allows nurses to send TIAGo to patrol in the corridor and inspect the light status above the rooms. When a red light is detected, the nurse receives a notification with the room number on a tablet or on their smartphone. Therefore, they can immediately check who has called, saving time and reducing stressful situations. In this task, the nurse is able to send the TIAGo robot to check on patients in selected rooms. If the door is closed and TIAGo is not able to enter to check on the status of patients, the robot sends a notification to the nurse station letting them know that the door is closed. In that case, TIAGo then continues to a different room. When the door is open, the robot enters the room, scans the room, and make sure that all the patients are in a safe position and place. Now TIAGo is able to continue to the next room. TIAGo enters the room and notices that a person has fallen on the floor and is possibly injured. An immediate notification is sent to the nurse station with the status of the patient and the room number, so the necessary help can be provided by a medical professional. In the last task, the nurse sends the robot to a selected room to entertain the patient and encourage physical activity. The nurse chooses the activity using the tablet and is able to preview it on their screen. The tablet interface also allows other activities such as playing music, remote consultancy and web calls. Thank you to everyone involved in the SANDRo project, and we're excited to make use of the results.